Zoom queen here, also known as Marquesa. And guess what? I got a surprise for you. It's a big one and it's a cool one. So here is the surprise. But let me back up for a second before I go into the surprise. I love Zoom and I have loved Zoom. Using it in my business. It's taking my business to the next level since it launched. So I'm an old time OG, they call you, Zoom person. And I'm happy to say that I got a whole tribe that loves Zoom just as much as I do. Guys, I use Zoom as my stage. I use Zoom as my clubhouse. I use Zoom as my studio. I use it as my classroom. I use it as my operations manual. It goes on and on and on. And I get down and dirty with ultimately how I use Zoom to grow my business and, you know, take my platform to that next level. This is why I love Zoom. But what makes me really happy is those toys, those tools, those amazing resources that can make that Zoom experience even better. And I heard of these people. Yep. So you're about to see what I'm going to see. So here we go. We got a beautiful box. Isn't she pretty? Here she is right here. I'm going to pull her up for a second. I've already opened the top of her. Look at this normal regular box. Look at this. It's by Power BX, if you see here. And it says right here, Zapp Pad. I don't know if it's probably showing backwards for you. So this here, guys, I live in New York City. So I have a small mailbox, fit right into my mailbox. Okay, good. So how I know this, because when I was like, wait a minute, went downstairs and there it was. So I am going to see what's in here. So let's go ahead and pull this baby out. Wow, let's see what I got here. Yes, don't you guys love things? Ooh, baby. Woo! Boom, do you guys see this? Boom. Now, normally when you get something, you've got to read an owner's manual. You got to go through, how do I connect this thing? But I was told that literally it kind of connects itself. So let me see if that's true. Now you saw me pull it out of the box. I see the light that's here, that's coming on right here. Okay. So what I'm going to do with this lovely, awesome gadget is I'm going to see. It worked, guys. It connected on its own through Bluetooth, literally within minutes. I'm telling you, I'm not tripping. And if you have any kind of issue, just literally just start to touch it. And it's smart and it'll connect right to your Zoom. That is so cool. So what I love here is, I want you to take a look at these buttons here. If you've been using Zoom for some time, you will know that Zoom has 22 shortcuts, right? But normally to get to those shortcuts, you got to remember them. I don't have the best memory. I don't know about you. You got to remember Control, Alt, Z, D, B, D. And then I remember I had a list there and I never use it again. I spent the whole time putting the list together and never use it again. So thank you, Power BX, because you did all the work. Look at this. Oh my God. It allows me to start and end a Zoom. I can raise my hand on a Zoom. Do you see the hand raise? You see the hand raise. I can switch cameras if I want. I can make my, you know how you sometimes want your screen to be taken over by what you're watching on Zoom. I can do that. Oh my goodness. Now let's say I have 50 people on here or 60 or more or whatever, more than what can fit in one window. All I got to do is press the button that says previous 25, next 25, previous 25, next 25, and everybody shows up. I can hit share screen, pause. I can mute. Oh, this is fabulous. So if you're like, Marquesa, that sounds good, but I really can't see it. I thought about you. See, before I knew I had it, I had to go and do my research. I mean, I am Zoom queen, right? So check this out right here. I want you to get familiar with what I got. Okay, so check this out. This is what it looks like. You see it? I think I need some kind of music that says, so I'll do it myself. Sorry, middle school teacher that taught me how to sing. It's been a while. All right, so guys, I want you to see not only from me, but also there how it literally fits in the palm of your hand. It's like a calculator. I love it. I love it. It fits right there. Remote control, here I come. That's the cool part about it. So you may say, well, what are the buttons that are on here? And will it connect to my type of computer? It absolutely will. You notice it says Apple OS Windows compatible, Bluetooth. So you kind of just need to be able to connect to Bluetooth, quick reference icons, easy access hotkeys, battery life. Look at this. Is this crazy? Oh my goodness, I want to cry. This is amazing. So if you like Zoom, if you want to save time, if you want to save energy, if you want to knock every single presentation you do out of the door, you want to just blow people away, and you want to do it quickly without even thinking about it so you can just focus on your content, please get what I call the Zapp Pad. I don't just call it that. They call it that because you know what I thought about that? That is a good name because you can literally zap everything away. This is so cool. Guys, I feel like we got to cue the confetti. Matter of fact, I just feel like I need to give it a round of applause. This is just how impressed I am by this. So I got to give it an applause. I got to give it an applause. I'm just blown away, blown away, blown away. And I don't know if you heard the applause, but I'm just clapping over here. So I'm going to give you one more look. And isn't she beautiful? Okay, so you may say, well, who are you and why should I listen to you? Again, I am Zoom Queen. I have a tribe of hundreds that love Zoom just as much as I do, right? It is a game changer. And if you leverage it, it's a heck of a lot more than a meetings platform. You know, it's a business game changer. So if you want to know more about how to leverage Zoom to grow your business, text me. That's my number right there, 917-724-8462. You'll get some great Zoom tips. I love it. One other quick little thing. You may say, well, wait a minute. Should I have a certain type of Zoom license? First of all, if you got a free one, you need to upgrade to a paid one. But if you want the very best, first class without the first class price, I invite you to go to zoom2income.com and grab a Zoom VIP license where you get all kind of benefits. But that's another time. My name is Marquesa Pettway. I'm your Zoom queen, and I absolutely love my Zapp Pad. Bye, y'all.